Hello, and thank you for joining me as I show off my official Futurama robot action toy, Earl the Police Guy. Wind him up and watch him trample on your civil rights. Ironic, isn't it? NYPD's finest robot crime fighter. Probably New York. I actually didn't really watch Futurama all the time. Over here on the back we have 10,001 soul hits of the 70s. Nixon's head in '04. Afro Shine badge wax. And I love my gun mug. And Crime Stomper textbook. For a better tomorrow, collect them all today. So I got this my mom bought this for my birthday in 2004. And it's so vintage. I mean, it's Matt Groening, right? Matt Groening, right? To have all these vintage items that he grew up with. Let's open it up. Ooh, He comes with double plastic. Let's just throw this aside. That's just scrap. Anyway, it's just scrap. It really does have Matt Groening. 2001. Earl. What's Earl? The Universal. I know what HTTP is. Hypertext. No, that's HTML. Hypertext Markup Language. HTTP. Earl is your URL. User realization level. I'm really bad at this. Bad. Yeah. I think what really makes this special is that it has a key. Oops. His arm keeps getting in the way. That sounds horrible. Okay, I think we're ready. Right. So what do? We take the key out, right? Yeah! Do it, Earl! Stomp on their civil rights! Come on, Earl. Now he's moonwalking. I can see why. Oh, wait. No. Maybe. Excuse me. Well, don't let nostalgia get the best of me. So he does have like plastic. It's got a plastic nub here. Then it's metal. Then it's plastic. His baton's plastic. I want to call it a lightsaber. This one's actually metal here. This is some kind of sticker or paint on the metal. Die cast on the tin. Well, Earl and I say thank you very much for joining us. Thank you for your view of my review of Earl the Bot.